In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your N8n AI automation workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration that leverages the power of automation, enhancing your productivity and simplifying tasks. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools at N8n. This platform is your launchpad for creating efficient and smart workflows that can handle repetitive tasks with ease. So navigating here is your first essential step. Once you've reached the platform, the next step is to click on Sign In. If you already have an account, just enter your username and password. For new users, you'll need to create an account to gain access to the dashboard. Signing in is straightforward, and it will take you straight into the N8n dashboard, where all the magic happens. This dashboard is your control center. It's where you'll orchestrate the integration of Notion with N8n, among other possibilities. After signing in and locating the dashboard, the next phase is to create a workflow. Simply click on Create Workflow. This action sets up a new environment where you can visualize and organize the entire automation process. It's like opening a fresh canvas where you'll start drafting out the details of your integration. Within this new workflow space, your next move is to click on Add Nodes. Nodes are essentially individual components or actions that make up your workflow. This step is crucial because nodes will communicate with and control your Notion through N8n. Think of these as the building blocks of your automation journey. The following step is to search for Notion in the node search bar. Typing in Notion will filter through the available options and help you find exactly what you need. Once you see Notion among the choices, the task is to click on it. This step officially integrates Notion into your current workflow, allowing you to manipulate and automate its functionalities with N8n's powerful tools. Remember, whenever you're navigating these platforms, keep in mind that your work is easily adjustable. If a step doesn't go as planned or looks different from expected, retrace your steps and ensure each action is correctly followed. And there you have it, a complete guide to successfully linking Notion with your N8n AI automation workflow. This integration not only saves time, but eliminates the mundane and allows you to focus on more critical tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating!